and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Sami Review. This time, I bring you my view for Zhiyun Smooth 4 and the reason why I don't buy it, but maybe made for you. Again, thanks to Gimbal for sponsoring the gadget. You can always check the newest, coolest products in reasonable prices on this shop. The box comes with an English manual, a tripod, a USB Type-C cable, and the gimbal itself. The phone box is really well packed, by the way. Next, I will just walk you through the interface of the Zhiyun gimbal. Before that, you have to download the ZY Play app from Google Play or App Store and install it. Easy peasy. Second, you attach the tripod to the bottom of the gimbal, which makes it easier for you to mount the phone. To attach the phone, you just open the bracket and squeeze in, and then try to balance it. But since this gimbal can support a weight of 500 grams, so for most phones in the market, you don't actually need to get perfect balancing because the motors are already powerful enough. You can see when I attach my Mi Max 2 on it, which is 6.44-inch huge screen and 211 grams. You can never get it balanced, just hang there like my dick. But once you turn on the gimbal and shoot, seems all good. But sure, the better you balance it, the smoother your video will be. Alright, now let's turn on the gimbal. Now press the power key here and you will see these blue lights come to life. They indicate the battery juice as well. Open the ZY Play app you just installed. Click Connect to Device button, allows it to open the Bluetooth of your phone. Press to pair. Done. You can see there is a menu button on top left. You can basically set everything you need there, like camera resolution, flash, temperature rest by spinning the wheel. To exit, just press menu button again. The top right is the display or water button. You can see EV, ISO, white balance, those. The bottom left button with this crosshair icon is for switching between focus and zoom mode for the camera. If you're about to record a video, just hit this red record button, and for the picture, just the bottom and the right. Let's move to the wheel. Press the top of the wheel, you are going to get the resolution settings. Press the middle button of the wheel to confirm. Push the left button, you're gonna switch between the back and the front camera. If you click the bottom of the wheel, you are going to enter the file folder. Everything you show will be here. The right of the wheel is to adjust the exposure value. Long press the middle is going to turn on the flash of your phone. Next, I'm going to introduce the shooting modes that comes with the Smooth 4. Right now I'm in pan follow mode. If you pan to the left or right, then it will follow, but if you tilt down or up, it will not follow. You can switch to lock mode by pushing this button. Everything will be locked. It will not follow any of your movement, but if you press and hold the bottom trigger at the back of the gimbal, the camera goes to all follow mode. It will follow all your movement, but with a little bit delay. Thus comes to the top trigger. It gives a much faster following response. It's called phone go mode. Good for taking footage of naughty kids or sports scenes. Lastly, you can double press the button trigger. Your phone will back to center if it's not. I really like these two triggers. It makes everything just so much easier and convenient. And I just think every gimbal should have this feature. One last thing I forgot to mention is you can turn your phone vertically by adjusting the lock port here. Okay, that's enough about the design of the gimbal. Now I'm going to show you some of the with and without the gimbal comparison footage, so you can get a better idea of how this thing performs. Now, so far so good about the Smooth 4 gimbal. It's got the intuitive interface, the build quality is super good, and mostly the price is very cost effective. You can check on Gimbal, which only sells it 140 bucks, and you can get this cinematic smooth footage. That's nice, but personally I wouldn't buy it. Here are the reasons. First is the Zhiyun app. Follow box, mostly for the Android phones. My two Android phones, Mi Max 2 and Mi 5, both support 4K shooting, and I'm 100% goddamn sure I got the settings perfect right on the Zhiyun gimbal, but it just doesn't record in 4K. And you can see the reviews from a Smooth 4 Amazon page. Seems I'm not the only one. Also, about the moving time-lapse mode, which is perfect for sunset scene shooting, and I follow every step it should be, and then the bugs occur. The wheel is not working. You have to click on the screen to start and it won't start moving. For iPhone, sometimes I cannot connect to Bluetooth to shoot, especially in critical moments like this beautiful sea scenery. I haven't tested more other features since I really got frustrated about. I bet there are more. And here I just want to warn the Zhiyun engineers, if you're watching, please don't be lazy. Just fix your software thing and get things going. don't screw up on such a good product. Of course, another main reason is I already got the 4K action camera and its gimbal. For most occasions, I just don't need more tools, or I needed to shoot and create more good content. That's why I said in the beginning of the video, I personally won't buy it, but maybe you need it. You already got a phone, right? And with only 140 bucks, you can really get creative, step up your production value of your stories. Nothing can beat that. And I'm Sami. Until next video, stay subscribed.